but I notice it's very corroded. I try to clean it with this, but I'm going to show you the best way to clean it, and this is how. So we're going to put baking soda in a little container. Just going to use this one. Okay. Then I'm going to put some water. I'm gonna mix it real good. And we're gonna put that solution to the battery. And this will get rid of all the acid that is around the post. Okay. I'm gonna shake it. I'm gonna stick it in there. Look how the baking soda reacts to the baking soda. It burns all the acid and it comes out very well clean. Once it stops bubbling, that means that it's already, the job is done. See? Look, all the acid is gone. All I have to do is clean it with a little towel and do the same thing on the other side. Alright, so I'm doing the other side. Just sticking it in here. Let the peroxide work. It bubbles, that means that it's working. It's taking all the acid down. Once you put the battery in, you can do also the same thing on the posts or you can just use one of these things right here. So, put it off. I'm gonna put that liquid. I'm gonna clean it and we're ready to go. These things are clean. All the acid it's gone. Now we're ready to put the battery in place. Right. So now we're gonna put the posts, then the negative. I'm gonna tighten them up and we're gonna see if this puppy works. So on this particular case, we can use a 5/16 deep socket to tighten the terminals. We got this side, it's done. Now the negative. And we're ready to test it.